Hello everyone, you're welcome. Let's see how we can solve this problem on the board. Now we are given this problem here, so let's see how we're going to solve it. Alright, so we are given 1 over 9 to the power of x minus 1 equals 3 to the power of 2x plus 4. Now how are you going to solve that? So I'm going to have 1 over 9 to the power of x minus 1 then equals 3 to the power of 2x plus what? Plus 4. Alright, so what I'm going to do is that you should remember that when you have 1 over a can be a to the power of minus 1 in index form. So now, which means the 1 over 9 can be written as 9 to the power of minus 1. Okay? So now, we are now going to change this 1 over 9 here. We change it to 9 to the power of minus 1 to the power of x minus 1 then equals 3 to the power of 2x then plus 4. Alright, the next thing we're going to do from there is that whenever you see a to the power of b, then to the power of c again, this is going to be a to the power of b times c. So now, since this minus 1 and x minus 1 are powers or exponents, we're going to multiply them together. So we're going to have 9 to the power of minus x, that is minus x times x, then plus what? Plus 1, because minus 1 times minus 1 will give us plus 1, then equals 3 to the power of 2x plus 4. Now moving on, we're going to have 9 to the power of 1 minus s. I can write it like that, then equals 3 to the power of 2x plus 4. Now this 9 here can be written as 3 to the power of 2, then to the power of what? To the power of 1 minus x, then equals 3 to the power of 2x plus 4. Now from there we have what? We can see that this power we have to multiply themselves. Then we're going to have 3 to the power of 2 times 1 is 2 minus 2x, then equals 3 to the power of 2x plus 4. Are you getting it? Alright, so from there, when you have a to the power of b, then equals b equals a to the power of a to the power of c. So this implies that b must be equals to c. Alright, so now since we have the same basis here, so we are going to equate the exponent the same way we did here. Okay, now so that we are going to equate the exponent, then we're going to have 2 minus 2x then equals 2x plus 4. So now from there we're going to have what? We're going to have 2 take away 4 from both sides. We're going to have this, then add 2s to the both sides. We're going to have this. So from there we are going to have 2 take away 4. We're going to have 2 then equals when you add this together, we're going to have 4x. Alright, so from there we're going to have dividing both sides by 4, divide both sides by what? By 4. So we're going to have what? We're going to have minus 2 divided by 4, then equals 4x divided by what? Divided by 4. So you see that this 4, we cancel this 4, then we're going to have x to be minus 2 divided by 4. Now, minus 2 divided by 4, we can reduce that. X will now be 2 here, 1, 2 here. We have 2 to have minus 1 over what? 1 over 2. And that's our solution to the problem. Now, if you want to check whether you are right or not, we have x to be minus 2. So let's verify. Okay? So to verify this, when x equals minus 1 over 2, we know we have what? We have the equation to be, what's the equation? We have the equation to be 1 over 9, 1 over 9 to the power of x minus 1, then equals 3 to the power of 2x plus 4. So now whenever we see x, we put minus 1 over 2, we have 1 over 9 to the power of minus 1 over 2 minus 1, then equals 3 to the power of 2 minus 1 over 2, then plus 4. So we want to check whether the two sides will be the same at the end. So now we're going to have 1 over 9 into brackets. So this one we can write this as over 1. So we're going to make the LCM 2. 1 times 1, we're going to have a minus 1, then minus what? Minus 2. Then equals 3 to the power of this. We cancel this, we're going to have minus 1. Then plus what? Plus 4. Are you getting it? So from there, we're going to have 1 over 9. Then into brackets minus 3 over 2. Then equals 3 to the power of minus 1 plus 4. We're going to have positive 3. Alright, so from there, so now if I want to change this negative sign, so I'm going to transpose, or I'm going to flip 9 and 1. So that will have 3 over 2, then equals 3 to the power of 3. So now from here, I can see we have what? 9 can be 3 to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 2, then multiplying 3 to the power of 3 over 2. Would this give us 3 to the power of 3? Alright, so we're going to have, we have this 2, we cancel this 2. If 2 and 3 over 2 multiply each other, so we're going to have 3 to the power of 3, then equals 3 to the power of 3. 3 to the power of 3 is 27, then equals 27. So which shows that the value of x is x minus 1 over 2. That is our valid what? Valid solution. Valid solution. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the class, kindly share to your friends so they can learn from this. Bye.